Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study histology in medical school. Start by organizing study sessions around tissue types and set clear goals for each session. Use active recall with labeled diagrams and flashcards to reinforce features. Schedule short, frequent review sessions and vary contexts to build durable memory. Pair light microscope practice with cellular drawings and clinical correlations to make structures meaningful and easier to remember quickly. Break down study into manageable steps, starting with basic tissue types and staining characteristics. Compare normal histology with common pathologies to anchor clinical relevance. Practice identifying key features under the microscope and annotate photos for later review. Use spaced repetition with flashcards and timed quizzes to track progress. Form small study groups to teach each other and explain structures aloud, which boosts retention and reveals weak areas worth revisiting often. Leverage resources strategically by combining textbooks, atlases, and reliable online slide banks for varied exposure. Create a personalized annotation system and consistently label structures with color codes. Test yourself with image-based questions and time-constrained identification drills to simulate exam conditions. Integrate clinical cases and path slides to understand function and disease. Reflect weekly on progress and adjust techniques if certain tissues or staining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.